to the old Menards today. Waiting on some parts for the track sled still, so we're gonna pick up some other parts. Working on a little side quest. Gonna try and build a shop air filter that I can hang from the ceiling. Try to cut down on some of the grinder dust, paint, sprayer, you know, even when you're sweeping the floor, it kicks up a lot of dust. So, gonna try and build a little air filter box and see how it goes. I've seen a couple guys build them on YouTube already, but those guys are professional cabinet makers, partner, and I am not. So I should be able to build a decent little box, put a fan in it, some filters, nothing crazy. So yeah, spend all your money at Menards. Whipper in here. Oh, sick Raptor, bro. Let's go wheeling. Well, $200 later. Ooh, Casey's Pizza. Alright, coming to our scrap pile here. Of course, the pieces I need are buried. Need that chipboard there. And a couple 2x4s. Get us a box going. Alrighty, here is the fan we're going to use. It's got the old 3-speed. Those are the specs, 1600 CFMs, quarter horse. Now they say you got to use a centrifugal fan instead of like a regular box fan. Something about the scroll cage, it creates better pressure, better suction, something like that. Whereas a regular fan, you'll have a lot of air escape around the blades. So that's why you got to go with the old scroll cage here, or like a furnace blower or something like that. So now let's figure out how to build a box. So this is going to be my front plate that the blower sticks out of. I got my center line marked there. And I'm just going to put that up next to it. I'm going by the center line on the thing there. So you move that over a little bit. And then make sure you got a piece of plywood under there, because you're going to have a bottom piece. And then I'm going to mark my outlet there. I got my top half marked, and now put it like this so I can mark it the rest of the way. And just like that, we got a mark. I'm going to cut it small first because it's really not very accurate. Got our outlet hole cut. Kind of a pain with that, but we made it. It's snug and loose at the same time, so I think it'll work. I got all my pieces cut for the frame. Got the short sides, long sides, and the up and down sides. Not gonna go into detail on how I figured it out. I'm pretty much winging it. I'm just showing you how I'm doing it. Before we put our front plate up there, I went ahead and cut for our gang box. Also, I marked the center there, and I marked the center up there, so when it lines up, it'll be straight. Just like that, we got a frame. Get a piece of plywood cut for the bottom, and then figure out our filters for the sides. I think it's time to fit our fan up in our box. Got everything fitted up in there. Everything fits pretty good. Just gotta get my box in there, get her wired up with a switch. Be good to go. For my wiring, I just used the original cord, stuck it in there, wired a switch in, and then I'm gonna plug it into my outlet there. Here she is in all her glory. Just like that, pretty happy with it. A little loud for if I'm gonna be making videos, but it's gonna do the job. And like I said, I am in no way a cabinet maker, woodworker, And in fact, working with wood, I have no patience for it at all. But this is just something that I've really wanted to get done for a while now. Especially, you know, sweeping the floor makes a lot of dust, grinding, cut off wheels, whatever. Try to keep the dust down, keep it out of my lungs and nose. But I'm happy with it. And I suppose we'll test it out. Sweep the floor, make some dust. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. All right, so real quick, I just swept the floor in the shop. Normally, that'll completely choke you out. I gotta open the doors, air it out. But with this, sucks up that dust, man. It's so much better. This thing's awesome. I highly recommend, if you create any dust in your shop, build you one of these. It's super easy, nice little project. I got it done in 4 hours just messing around. So, yeah, hope you guys like it. Have a good day. So yeah, that's just sweeping the floor one time. You can see that's how white the filter is. That thing sucked up so much dirt. That is awesome. I'm so happy.